Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 12 English idioms with letter O. Be out for something or to do something. This means to be trying to get or to do something. Example: he is out to take over the leadership of the group. She is out for vengeance. At or from the outset of something. This means at or from the beginning of something. Example: from the outset of our conversation, I knew he was lying. At the outside. This means as a maximum, the highest or the most of something. Example: the bus could carry 18 passengers at the outside. This means the bus could not carry more than 18 passengers. Go overboard. This means to be too excited or enthusiastic about something or about doing something. Example: she went overboard in her quest for power. Overdo it or overdo things. This means when you overdo something, you do it too much or for too long, especially when this is not necessary. Example: you are overdoing it in your marriage preparation. You need to slow down. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Go into overdrive. This means to start being very active and working very hard. Example: he suddenly went into overdrive when he realized he was running out of time for the event. Over-egg the pudding. This means to exaggerate something, to make something seem better or worse than it really is. Example: your whole narration is hard to believe. You have simply over-egged the pudding. Overplay your hand. This means to spoil or ruin your chance of success by saying that you are in a better position than somebody else when this is not true. Example: he overplayed his hand at the competition. Be working overtime. This means to be very active or too active. Example: boys are naturally known to work overtime. Come into your own or its own. This means to have the opportunity to show how good or useful you are or something is. Example: the girl came into her own at the dancing competition. Behave or act as if you own the place or to think you own the place. This means to behave in a very confident way that annoys other people. For example, by telling them what to do. Example: at the party last night, Joy was behaving as if she owned the place. Own up to something or to doing something. This means to admit that you have done something wrong or that you are wrong about something. Example: he was not willing to own up to the crime. She owned up to her mistakes. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.